Welcome to episode 7 of my stock photography journey. I'm Angel, by the way. You can call me Aunt Angel. And on this journey, I've given myself about 100-day challenge, 3-month challenge to stick with trying to make some money through stock photography and treat it like a part-time job. Give it at least 15 hours a week. And I had in mind that I would be able to get at least like 125 photos in my portfolio per week, so that by the time this was done, I would have, I think, 1,500 or however many that works out. But so far, it's been more challenging than I expected, which is to be expected, right? So I thought today, it's actually been, I think, just a little bit over a week, but I have been doing, there's a couple days that I haven't focused on it as intensely as all the other days. So in any case, this is episode 7, and I thought I would do a weekly recap of the first week. The good, the bad, the ugly. The good, the best is Shutterstock. So far, they've pulled ahead. I have 82 images in my portfolio there. That's the biggest portfolio I was able to build so far. 33 more were approved for data collection, which is just to train AI. And then I think 27 have been refused. I also have another 138 uploaded there waiting for me to do the metadata on, which I may get to quite a few of those this weekend. So that's been pretty encouraging. No sales yet, which is to be expected. Second in line is Dreams Time, and I have 56 in my portfolio there. Only 9 that are in my refused folder, but I think I've had a lot more than that refused. The ones that are in the folder have given me really good feedback about why they were refused. However, I could swear that I did put in metadata for some more, but I could be mistaken on that. It gets confusing. There's metadata a lot of places. I still have 105 there uploaded. It's a little, that kind of gives you a good idea, because I'm really trying to consistently upload the same amount to all the platforms that will let me. But Shutterstock is pulling ahead because it is faster and easier to navigate in many ways. Dreams Time is relatively easy, but just not quite as easy as Shutterstock. And then 500px has some aspects that are easier, but I'm still in the trial period. Just going to run out, I think, in another 5 or 6 days. And then I think I'm going to have to pay for a portfolio. And there, I think I definitely have had some approved for licensing, but doesn't seem to be an easy way to understand what is where yet. I'm still a little bit lost there. I have uploaded the most there. Like, I have a lot of photos. I'm pretty much putting all the ones I'm putting in, all the platforms there, and it will upload them all into a portfolio. But then you have to submit them like with anywhere else for licensing. And I haven't done that with as many there. I've sort of just been focusing on these other platforms because I'm not sure about payout wise. When I listen to other YouTubes talk about their payments, it seems like Alchemy used to be really good, and Shutterstock still is. Adobe, if you can get in. So Adobe, I did find the delete button on my overzealous submissions after 3 rejections, and I have 3 more uploaded pending approval. No word from them yet. Alchemy, I got really excited because I finally passed on my 3rd attempt. Their trial put 3 submissions in. My 2nd attempt, I had 1 pass, but they said you can't put just 1 in, you need 3. And so I finally got the 3rd attempt, all 3 passed. And then it let me upload 53 or 49 images. And then it denied all of them because it said that at least one of them didn't pass quality control, and they have to all. So I wish I had understood that better, but live and learn. That's a tip from me to you. Just take your time with Alchemy if you're going to do that. And I think I'm going to stick to 3 at a time for a while because that's a lot of work. it's slow to upload. Thankfully I didn't do the metadata on all that yet, but it still took a while even just to upload. So, pardon me. LME has been, a little bit of a roller coaster. It was disappointing, and then it was exciting, woohoo, and now it's disappointing again. But I intend to try again, pull way back and just do 3 at a time. Maybe wait until there are 3 that I've had approved to somewhere else that I don't want to give exclusive rights, or just keep experimenting. I'm sure that everything will keep changing. I have yet to get into some video clips, and I do intend to do that, and some illustrations. So lots to do, lots to explore. But my weekly update, I've put there was about 5 other platforms that I'm going to get into probably eventually, but I was just waiting till I feel like my skill set is a little bit better and my workflow is a little bit better. And I'm still floundering there. I have improved my ability to take photos in the first week, and that feels good. And I've improved my understanding of the platforms and the industry, and that feels good. I've done a lot of reading of, contracts and reading of top shots and requests and what they're looking for in various places. So that's been helpful, and I'm feeling like that's time well spent to educate myself. Overall, it's still not looking real hopeful. If I think about the good, the bad, the ugly is still that I don't see it being very likely that I'm going to make cash with stock photography. I think the way to make any money from these skills is going to be to use stock photography as a way to get feedback and interaction and ideas so that I can up-level my skills and then get private clients or work through Amazon doing stock photography there for specific products or something like that. So those are my thoughts on week 1. I'll keep this nice and short and sweet, I suppose. Some of my others have been long. I intend to continue. I welcome your thoughts and comments and questions as I move forward. If you have any questions, I'm doing these almost every day, so probably uploading a week or 2 back from where I'm recording, but I will be, not too far behind myself. So if you leave a question, I can, you probably see that answer posted in a couple of weeks, if not sooner. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the description for some affiliate links and other ways that you can help support this channel. And as always, stay curious, stay courageous, and stay free if you can. Ciao for now.